let's take a look at how this works at a closer angle. Let's say there's a class cycle, same as again, weight is 10, something like that. There's a method int get weight. It returns the value of weight, which is 10, like you saw above. And then there's the class bicycle that extends our cycle. At this point, what we are saying is I want to create a bicycle which is a special version of a cycle. It has a weight, it has this method get weight, and in addition to these two things that I'm copying, I'm gonna add my own stuff, which is string brand equals to hero public void get info method. I simply say system.out.println brand and get weight. Now notice here I have called get weight inside my bicycle, even though I have not defined it, because it has been copied automatically from the class cycle thanks to inheritance. So if you see, the object is gonna look like this: bicycle, my cycle is new bicycle, right? That's how we create an object, and then I simply call the get info method over here. Now if you notice this object my cycle, let's take a clear look at what the object contains. So here the my cycle is there. It's gonna contain two parts. That's gonna be variables and methods inside the my cycle object, right? My cycle is gonna have this variable brand equals to hero right here. It's gonna have this method get info right here. But other than these two, it's also now the get info method is gonna access brand over here. Now other than these two, it's gonna have the weight equals to 10, which has been derived or inherited from the class cycle over here. And then there's also the get weight method, and this is why I can have my get weight method refer to the weight variable, even though I have not declared both of them over here, because by inheritance they are inside our class bicycle as well. And then I can also use my get info method to call get weight. Now notice carefully, inside my get info method I have written get weight, which is gonna return weight, which is nothing but 10 over here, and all these literally belong to the class bicycle. And this is how inheritance works. Now I know this is a difficult idea to grasp, but remember one thing very well: what is common, keep it separate. What is very specific, keep it inside your subclass, and your subclass is gonna have all those things which your superclass also has. However, remember one thing: the subclass cannot access private variables and private methods of a superclass. It can access public stuff, protected stuff, default stuff, no problems, but private stuff